Today I'm going to be replacing an engine air filter in this 2024 Hyundai Tucson. This is the same from years 2022 up to 2025 until they come out with the new generation. It may change. But first we're going to start off by releasing the hood. Once you release that, it gives you enough room to find your latch. It slides this way, pops up. Hood stands over here. Then we're going to go in, and this is probably one of the easiest cabin air filters to replace. There is a lever here, and that's the filter. We flip these little switches down, which will release this guy, and this pulls right out. Boom, and there it is. So this guy is not, you can't put it in wrong. It's directional, so when you go to put a new one back in, it goes in like that. Also, there is, I'll put a link in the description for this guy. I was seeing if there was a part number I could show you, but yeah, I'll put oh, right here. Here are our part numbers. So if you want to get that, let me turn it right side up. Part numbers here. I'll hold that on screen for a moment, but I'll put a link in the description for that too. So when you go to put a new one in, it goes like so. Just reverse our process. These guys flip up to lock into place, and there's a little click there. Close that, and that's how you do an engine air filter on a Hyundai Tucson. This is a 2024, but it's the same from 2022 up to 2025 so far until they release a new one and put a different engine in. But for now, that's how you do it. If this was helpful, give a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.